Mum's the word, the secret to understanding this English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a phrase that might sound a bit strange at first. Mum's the word. Have you heard it before? Well, whether you have or haven't, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. So, let's get started. The phrase, mum's the word, means to keep a secret or to say nothing about a particular matter. The word, mum, in this context is an Old English word that means silent or not speaking. When someone says, mum's the word, they are telling you to keep silent about what was just discussed. The origin of mum's the word dates back to Shakespearean times. It was first recorded in Shakespeare's play, Henry VI, Part 2, where it implied the need for silence and secrecy. Over time, the phrase has become a part of everyday English to signal that discretion is needed. Mum's the word is used in informal contexts when you agree to keep a secret or when you want to tell someone else to not reveal a secret. For example, if your friend tells you about a surprise party for another friend, they might say, remember, mum's the word. Don't tell anyone. Let's look at a few examples to see how it's used in sentences. I've planned a special gift for her birthday, but mum's the word until then. We're getting a new puppy, but mum's the word until we bring it home. And that's it. Now you know what mum's the word means and how to use it. It's a handy phrase to have in your vocabulary for those moments when discretion is key. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful. Keep practicing, and remember, sometimes it's best when mum's the word.